We are a small candy business. We were looking for a way to sell our candy outdoors at the outdoor flea market in our area. On this day that my husband shot this video, it was 85 degrees in the hottest part of the day. Inside the box, with the portable air conditioner unit, the box and the candy stayed at around 71 degrees.
Hello, my name is Mike Schmidt, and I'm the owner of Sweet Schmidt's Candy here in Evansville, Indiana. And we are at the bazaar or open market throughout the summer. Now, we sell multiple styles of caramel and clusters, caramel nut clusters, and marshmallows. Well, we've did a lot of research and tried to figure out what to do to keep the product in good working order, and tried different systems, and I think we finally have come up with a system and wanted to share with the other artisan candy makers across the nation so that they can take part in farmers markets. Okay, the system is what you've seen on other YouTube videos. Is you got a bilge blower, 4-inch. This is just a shroud to keep your fingers out of the fans. It's been reduced down to 3 inches, and unlike others I've seen online that used metal flexible piping, I am utilizing gutter routing the downspout corrugated piping. So it's all 4-inch. So if there's a modification that I'm gonna make on this system, is to bring this from the 3-inch to the 4-inch. As you can see, this is a 60-quart igloo cooler that's on wheels, so that it is able to be moved around easier. It holds, with 12 feet of the piping in it, it's holding 40 pounds of ice easily. I have added some salt to the water to kind of freeze it down a little bit. This is all hooked to a battery. It comes out the back 3-inch, and I've got it piped into our box, and that's what I'm gonna show here, is that we've made this nice box. Alright, so on the underneath side of the box, there's where the pipes came in. It's rounded around the outside, and then this is 1.5 inch piping with a 3/4 inch. It throttled down to 3/4 inch here. That's our main amount, and then around our 1/4 inch holes throughout it, to be able to rain cold air. You can see there's another couple over here. So let me turn it back on. Okay, using a thermometer, we will sit here and you can see air temperature is going down 60 degrees.
This is the way that we originally had it set up. The air coming out of those pipes was not cool enough to keep the candy cool. So we then decided to shrink the size of the table and build a box containing the cold air and making the pipes bigger with bigger holes.